I went to the doctor's yesterday. I said, Doctor, I feel like I'm invisible. He said, who said that? No. Hey, I'm Johnny B. Welcome back to my channel. I need to start again really, don't I? Right, scrap that. What's up guys? I am Johnny B. Yeah, coming at ya. And what a beautiful day it is today. I've decided to come for a quick walk, get some exercise in, and I'm going to go home and I'm going to smash some artwork for you guys. Hello.
Baby, I'm a fighter, never backing down. Baby, I'm a soldier, standing my ground. So if you're gonna find me for my heart, all you're gonna get is battle scars. Baby, I'm a tiger, 27. Baby, I'm a rifle, one bite you're dead. So if you're gonna find me for my heart, all you're gonna get is battle scars.
What can I say any more than desire? More than just a pretty face. So girl, you better walk away. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Only one love if it's hotter than fire. Someone who can handle me.
I want you guys to hit that subscribe button, so I'm going to pause a minute while you do. Thank you. There's a Banksy over here.
Hey, you couldn't see it coming. You might have thought it, but you couldn't change it. Hey, it's not right or wrong. It's about trying, find the silver lining. Rain and fire, highs and lows, you name it. Cold and warmth, laughs and cries, you have it. The world goes by, and by the time it does, you missed it. You didn't see it, flew by. 'Cause time's not waiting for me or you. You will miss it if you don't catch it in time. In time. Say yes rather than no. Don't let your fears lead. Light is at your feet. Yes, regret is worse than failing. Keep the loved ones close, close enough. Rain and fire, highs and lows, you name it. Cold and warmth, laughs and cries, you have it. The world goes by, and by the time it does, you missed it. You didn't see it, flew by. 'Cause time's not waiting for me or you. You will miss it if you don't catch it in time. In time. In time.
So earlier, this policeman come running up to me, all panicking and everything. I said, you all right, mate? He said, you're not going to believe this. He said, but someone's been and stolen all the toilets from the police stations on the Isle of Wight. I said, they've done what? He said, they've stolen all the toilets from the police stations. He said, as yet, the police have nothing to go on. Ha! Chicka chicka!
When you're down and you stare out your window, hoping that you'll come up with some words to say. That's not okay. When you feel like you're fed up,
I don't want sausages. I want a banana sandwich.